Hello, people. It's Today is Jan 22nd, 2018, and the place where I'm sitting is quite pretty. And like the last time that we began a book review, we'll go with this Ryoho Okawa's book. It's called Invincible Thinking. And the thing that I learned the most from this book, before I begin, I really want to say this that this whole thing of being able to speak and in the end with no real return in sight. Though I'll tell you, today there was something that it was scaring me a lot. I had to collect money from a certain place, and I finally filled up all that was required, and I sent it across, and I finally got 6,747 rupees that came into my account. And there was a lot of work that went into writing that. So so any kind of hard work, in the end it pays. So that's a beautiful thought to have, to hold on to. I ate a lot of junk food right now, like Maggi and a bar of chocolate, and that's why I'm not feeling all that great. I mean, they say whatever we eat gets assimilated into our system, right? I have honey and lime with me, and I feel like drinking up the whole thing, which I think I should, yeah. But I need it for tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday I'm back to to Maripalli. So it's pretty beautiful, and people are must be observing what I'm doing. But thanks for watching, people, and I wonder how this video has turned out. So keep watching and please subscribe.